Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm a cartoonist and the author of many books in drawing cartoons. And this one I did is a previous YouTube drawing of a cat, a fun cartoon of a cat. But what I want to do is show you how you can change any drawing you have and make a different character out of it, instead of starting from scratch. So here, I'm going to take this character. You may not, but I will be able to see just below it. You can always go back in the video to see it. And instead of having this is sort of like an animator's trick by flipping back and forth. Instead of having a high head like that, I'm going to lower the head. And just have it like this. I have the side slant up a little, and the same way on this side. Make it kind of symmetrical, and a little bit thinner and longer looking neck. See, already it's looking a little different, right? Has a different forehead. Bring it down here. Now bring the eyes a little lower because the head is shorter, so the eyes should be lower. So let's start with the eyes here. Pretty much where they were before, but a little lower. Okay, be careful with the eyes. Try to make them look right. Pretty similar. Now bring the pupil right here looking at us, so it's slightly in toward the nose. Notice there's a little less area here than there is here. And that actually makes it look like the character is looking straight ahead. If you make the pupil exactly in the middle, it'll make the character look like it's staring, like in a horror film. Oh no! No, it's a mouse. Okay, so here we go, right here. I'll bring the bridge of the nose up. And a little flat little nose to be cute, like this. A little eyelash or two. How about we do give him a little surprised look? Humph! Little lower lip. Don't even have to put in an upper lip, just like that. Now let's have the eyebrow kind of curl up in the middle, like this. Look, we're already really changing it. And we started out with basically the same shape. We just lowered the eyebrow. The ear here, that's straight, this is round, this is straight, this is round. We'll show the interior here. Let's kind of shade that in. No one mistakes it. A little bit of a hair like this, and now have the hair come out like this. You know, cats all have that. Cartoon cats all have that. Real cats don't have any of that, but that's okay. Some whiskers and a little marking or two. Yeah, that's kind of good. It looks like an exclamation point, right? So that's good. And we'll just bring the collar out this way. Like so. License. Okay, ready to take a look and see the difference? Look at that. Isn't that interesting? It took us 2 minutes to make a brand new character. Just a few tricks and tips. You can learn a lot of those types of things in my book. Anyway, well, here is one of my books on drawing cartoons. Learn to Draw Cartoons, the world's easiest cartooning book ever, and I believe it is. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.